Welcome to ecopenny. I've had my trusty e-bike, which I use for commuting, serviced, but they've decided there's not enough room on the axle to keep the trailer hitch attached. What do I do? So the trailer hitch goes on the left-hand side of the bike, behind the nut that holds the wheel on. So it's got some thickness. So if there's not enough thread to put both the nut and the trailer hitch on, we need another solution. So this is the solution, courtesy of eBay. It was relatively inexpensive. So this adapter is going to screw on to the bike instead of the nut, and then it's got some threads here with another nut that you can put the hitch on. So that way the hitch will fit onto the bike. So it's straightforward. You take this nut off, screw the adapter on, and attach your hitch. So the hitch will go on like that. So you might have seen the trusty trailer in previous videos. You can use it to take cargo, especially going to do the groceries. So I can do my weekly grocery shopping with the trailer. It's very useful. It's a good adjunct to the e-bike, and the advantage is you can take it off when you don't need that cargo space. Whereas you can get dedicated cargo e-bikes, but the only problem with them, they're big and bulky all the time, whether you've got cargo or not. So let's get the spanners out. Take the original nut off. I'll keep that for safekeeping. If you've got through axles, it's got some plastic washers as well, but I've just got a solid axle. So you put this straight on. That leaves you plenty of thread to put this on. So they say put the metal washer that's provided on there first, then your trailer adapter, and then the nut that comes with it. So it's a pretty ingenious solution. Allows you to put the trailer hitch onto something where there's not enough thread to fit it behind the bike's wheel nut. So the adapter acts as a wheel nut, and you've got room to put your adapter. Quite simple to install. Quick release skewer. You need these plastic washers in as well. It's got instructions for a quick release lever, and mine's a solid axle. You want to make sure that you don't have too much thread on the bike. So if the thread that's exposed on the bike is longer than this hexagonal section, you need to put some washers on here first. Otherwise the axle will hit the end here and won't be able to fit in. So you've got to make sure your axle that's sticking out is less than this hexagonal bit, which is in my case. So the Electra e-bike axle here is a M10, 10mm diameter, and the Electra Tiny Go. So there are different ones available on eBay for different axles. Got over 8,500 Ks on the Electra Tiny Go, over 6 years, lots of short commutes. So less kilometres on the Subaru Forester, less carbon emissions. So you basically use the Forester for long trips, use the e-bike for short trips around town. So let's give the trailer a test run. I've got some bottles I need to take to recycling. So in Australia you pay a bit extra for your bottles, and then you get 10 cents back from each bottle when you return it. So it's a good incentive to make more people recycle. So basically we hitch in the same way. The only difference is the trailer hitch is a little bit away from the e-bike, which shouldn't matter too much. We've got our return and earn bottles here. So the foil, once you've got enough, in one big fist-sized clump, that can go in your normal bin recycling. So you need to have enough to make a big ball. batteries can go to the supermarket or Bunnings. Wait till I've got a few more. Hello horses! So how did that go with the new trailer adapter? 100%. So it works fantastic, same as it did before. Having the hitch a little bit away from the axle doesn't really affect the performance that much. Works really well, so I'm really happy I got that little upgrade. And now I can use the hitch with the e-bike in the future for shopping trips and taking cargo. So I hope that was interesting. If this adapter doesn't suit your particular bike, you might have other ones that are slightly different, so just consult your manufacturer of your trailer or whatever. But I hope this is interesting and is a good idea for people that want to connect their trailer but don't know how to get that hitch attached. Hope this helps. Don't forget to click the 3 dots at the bottom of the videos if you want to give some super thanks. I've got that enabled on the channel now. If you want to give a small donation to the channel, it all helps. Costs money to film videos, edit and do things. Thanks for watching. See you next time. It's rolling.